What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we have the final of the big rig group build, and this is the AMT International Transtar 4300 Eagle. Right off the bat, incredible kit. There's actually probably one of the best AMT semi-trucks kits out there, I gotta say, because not only the kit went together very well, but the instructions this kit offers is better than most, I gotta say, because it's actually an instruction manual you can actually understand and read, unlike some other ones. So, but besides that, the kit went together very well and it turned out amazing. So let's show you guys what I did to it, and yeah, here we go. So, alright, the body, I was gonna go with a red and a white theme, but I did it and it didn't turn out too good. I don't know what happened. I don't think the color red I chose, I didn't like it, so I was like, I'm good. So I'm gonna ship it, and I painted it. My second choice was obviously a gunmetal. I always thought gunmetal looks good on semi trucks, so here it is. And we got my clear coat on there, looking very good, very nice shiny gloss coat on this truck, and it just turns out pretty good. The chrome, most of the chrome, like such as the grille, bumper, the exhaust, the tanks, and some other parts were stripped and repainted chrome with the outclad chrome. It just looks better, and some of the attachment points, like the exhaust, you know, you had the two-piece exhaust, so you had a seam there, so I had to sand it down, so that's why we chromed it. And the tanks, you know, two-piece seam, we chromed it. And like the bumper and the grille and stuff, headlights, you know, it's just how the trees were attached to them. The tree attaches the two of them on the side, and there's a piece of chrome missing, so you have to sand it down. Then, you know, you have no choice to re-chrome it unless you want an ugly seam where a piece of chrome is missing, which I don't want. But the front wheel, I kept it the stock chrome. The mirror, you know, the horns and stuff up here is, you know, kit chrome, because, you know, how the tree was mounted to those parts was actually pretty good. The back wheels, we did strip and paint them white, because I thought I was gonna go white with a white body, but I was actually thinking taking them off, because I knew I was painted this color and paint them a different color, but I actually like the white with the dark color body, because it just kind of evens out the color, so it's not too dark, you know. But yeah, the white actually looks pretty good. The interior is, we did a dark chocolate brown interior, very nice. I wanted like a brownish interior. It probably looked pretty good, so I got that going. The interior went in very well, so very good. The sleeper cab part, that went together pretty good. I'm actually quite surprised how well that went together. I put the bed in there and I assembled the whole thing. Then I painted the interior and stuff by hand. Did all that first, flocked the bed, flocked the sides, you know. Did all that first, and I just put the roof on. Then I just sealed it all up, and then I did the clear coat outside and stuff. So yeah, the interior actually looks pretty good. Not much in there, just a bed, and you get like a storage bin down here, which I glued that door shut because I don't want that opening. But this door actually opens. I have a picture on screen for you guys, because it's kind of pain in the butt to open. I have to get my exact weight in there, then open it. Very tight fit. But yeah, it looks pretty good. We got the battery tray right here. It actually opens, and you know, I won't take it off. It's kind of painful if I got it on camera, but yeah, it actually just slides in there, and it's actually tightly fit in there, so I might really take it right off. Details some batteries in there, but not too crazy. But yeah, that's removable and stays on pretty tight. The wheels are turnable, so if you do it this way, they are steerable, which is awesome. So yeah, so let's go ahead and turn this. I don't have a turntable big enough, so we're just gonna do it by manual. Alright, so we got the back. We got my back chain assembly. This is actually a very cool thing I did. It's actually a little, this is not in the kit. I scratched out this whole assembly back here. I thought it would look very cool with a bunch of chain in the back, because you know how some of these semi trucks have a bunch of chain. You know, they're going in the north. You know, there's snow, so you're gonna have to put some chain on the tires and stuff to get grip. So, and plus some trailers they have to carry needs chain. So, such as flatbeds. But yeah, this is actually very cool. The outside is styrene sheets. It's like a styrene. Well, it's like a tube, or not tube. It's like a styrene sheet I used. And then for the back part, for a diamond plate, that's diamond plate and styrene, and you know, painting that chrome, and it just looks pretty good. I have a picture on screen for you guys before. That's before I put all the chain on, but yeah, it's actually very cool. I actually glad how I did that. Very neat little, you know, add-on to the kit. This kit does not offer a power line or a power tower, whatever you want to call this. So I just made it out of styrene tube. Just drill a hole, and then you know, get any kind of wire, paint it the correct colors of the power lines and stuff, and you know, need your own little power tube or power tower, whatever the heck you want to call that. But yeah, very cool. Fifth wheel, movable. You can glue it in the place you want, but I might hook up a trailer to this in the near future, so I don't want to glue it down. But it's tightly fit in there. It's not. It comes right off. It's not pushed in or nothing. It's just sides on, but not a big deal. The whole assembly for the fifth wheel, for the whole back assembly went together really well. I thought I was gonna have issues. That's where most issues are on these semi trucks, but the whole back, you know, suspension went together very well. I'm actually really glad how that went together. So we had to move it over here more. We do have our aftermarket mud flaps. Very cool. They actually look more appropriate with the gunmetal body than I think it would with white anyway. So I got those mounted up, taillights, license plate, you know, the usual, and just overall a cool setup. So let's go ahead and try to flip this onto the other side without breaking the thing. Alright, so here's the camera again. Alright, so we got my custom made box, storage box over here, because I did do some research, and this truck does offer a storage box here for add-ons, so they do offer it, or you know, you don't have to have it on if you don't want to, but I was like, it actually looks pretty cool, so it kind of fills in the space. So I just custom made it out of styrene sheet and rod and stuff, and I put the diamond plate outside of it, give it some character, and that looks pretty good. I painted it chrome, just, you know, have some more chrome on here. The exhaust, you know, pipes, the tank, all the same. You know, we shook it, we painted it chrome, and it's just very good. So that's pretty much is all going on for the outside. Show you the front assembly for a bit. There's the front. Like I said, the grill, headlight buckets, and bumper was all repainted chrome. So this kit does offer a little shield up here to block off the windshield wipers and stuff, but that I didn't really want that on there. So, but yeah, I didn't want it on there, so I just kept it as is, and it looks pretty good. So nothing left but the engine. So let's go ahead and bring this forward. Actually, we'll just zoom in with my camera, because my camera doesn't make things near it. Alright, then the hood goes up like that. I'll have a detailed picture in front of you guys because it's kind of hard to get the camera in there. But yep, we got the red engine in there, the turbo. Awesome. I'm really glad how that everything fit in there perfectly. The hoses and all that kinds of stuff line up with the turbo. It's just a very good fit. It went together very well. So I'm just glad how the engine bay assembled. I did weather it. I put some fuel stains on the turbo and some other stuff. Put some engine oil and grime, you know, just dirty it up a little bit because these some of my trucks' engines don't really stay clean very long. But it's just, it's cool. So yep, it tilts forward. The bumper actually stops the hood, so that's actually pretty neat. So make sure you put the bumper at the right angle, and you know, stop your hood. Alright, but that's pretty much about it for now, guys. Like I said, incredible kit, very good kit. Pick one up if you have a chance. I actually snagged this for 20 bucks at at Always, so I think it's a pretty darn good deal. That's like a steal right there, actually. But guys, I would like to thank you guys who joined in, or who are in the Big Rig group build. Some of you guys actually finished, which is very awesome, and a lot of you guys are still working on it. Awesome. We're looking forward to your, you know, update videos. I always look forward to it. There's no, YouTube is having trouble with notifications with me lately, so I'm trying to go on your guys' channel and see if you guys post the update video. Notifications are not working for me for some reason. There's some videos out there getting notified for me, but some are not. I was like, whatever. So I see who's on the list, so I'll just go to your channel and make sure you can post a video. If you did, I'll obviously watch it. But yeah, other than that, guys, until next time, fun, good kit. I do recommend it. But other than that, guys, I think that'll be it for now, and I can't wait till next year's Big Rig group build, and we'll see what I build then. But until next time, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.